My bad, my bad. What's up, guys? This is RJ from RJ Tech HD, and I'm proud to say that I am finally a owner of a Nintendo Switch. So, me and my family went out to Walmart, and I decided, you know what? I've been with the Nintendo family for a while, and I'm talking about like since the Wii and Game Boy Advance. So, I was thinking, you know what? I'm gonna go out and buy me a Nintendo Switch. And I got a screen protector, a glass screen protector, and I got 3 games. Got Minecraft from my little sister, Super Mario Brothers U Deluxe, and I got the newly released Super Mario Maker 2 game. It just came out today, June 28th. So I'm glad I got my hands on. I'm glad I got my hands on a new game. Sorry if I got any, errors. I'm not gonna really edit this video too much, so if you hear my stutters, my apologies for that. But we got 3 games right here. I'm gonna get Super Smash Bros. And the rest of those games most likely at a later date, probably like a month from now in July or probably August. So where do I begin? I think I got me a box cutter here somewhere. All right, so there it is. Okay. Oh wait, I don't need a box cutter. Yo, look at that. Okay, cool. Thank you, Nintendo. Thank you very much. Let's see, so I just gotta open it from right here. I'm having a hard time opening this box. Oh, never mind. Okay, what's this? Number 1. Plug it in, set it up. Fantastic, Joy-Cons. Oh, they got batteries in this thing? And they do charge. That's cool. Alright, before I get into what the heck happened to this box right here, I'm not gonna ask, but yo, okay, this is amazing right here. Is this the actual Switch right here? Yo, this is so cool. I'm getting to unbox one for myself now. Okay, take a look at that. Okay, so Nintendo Switch been out for about 2 years now, and I'm finally getting my hands on one. Not to mention, they're still selling like hotcakes right now. Nintendo did a great job. I'll put that to the side. I think these are the Joy-Cons right here. Oh yeah, so if you guys follow me on Instagram at RJTechHD, I actually asked you guys in a poll, should I get gray or the neon Joy-Cons, and you guys selected these like ASAP. So thank you for that suggestion. They feel pretty good. They're not premium, but they do feel pretty good. I like this. It's a good. It has like a nice matte finish. Okay, let's get inside the box. Standard HDMI, AC adapter. What's this? Oh, see, I did not know this actually came with the console. Awesome. Okay, this is what the Joy-Cons gonna do. Their own little grip. And I believe this. I don't know what this is right here. I think it's like a strap for the Joy-Cons. Interesting. I think, is there like 2 of them? Oh yeah, there is. Okay, it's the second one right here. And I believe this is the manual setup. And I think this is the dock that the Nintendo Switch goes in. Yo, it's pretty lit. So, you can tell I'm really excited about this. Because I've been waiting basically 2 years to get my hands on Nintendo Switch. Now I got the financial stability. I can finally buy one. I'm not gonna say how much all this cost because it was pretty hefty. Man, that is so cool. Alright, so I'm gonna get into this screen protector. I'll put it on probably later on tonight. But I'm dying to get straight into this. But let me clean up this mess right quick. Wow. Alright guys, so that'll wrap it up for this unboxing. I can't wait to set this thing up. So make sure you hit that like button, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video from RJ Tech HD. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will most likely be the review or some accessory videos that are coming along the way. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, it's me, your boy RJ from RJ Tech HD.